A new case study of the chapter Statistics. Every year we celebrate Mother's Day and Women's Day to show our love and respect to important women in our lives. But even today there is a major chunk of women in the India who are deprived of their basic rights and needs regarding their health issues. This year, on the occasion of International Women's Day 2020, on 8th March, a health checkup camp for women had been organized in all DAB schools of Odisha. Along with the checkup of their other health problems, their heartbeats per minute were also checked. The table given below shows the data of the number of heartbeats per minute recorded for 50 women. The number of heartbeats 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74 and so on. The number of women 5, 7, 5, 15, 8, 7 and 3. This is the figure. Now the question regarding this case study. What is the median class of the above data? What is the median class of the above data? First we have to prepare a cumulative frequency table. This is the data, the class interval and frequencies. Now write cumulative frequency 5. Now 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 15, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 47 and 50. These are the cumulative frequencies. Now n equal to 50. Sum of all the frequencies is 15. N by 2, 25. The 25 lies in this class interval 74 to 77 because 25 is just less than 32. The median class is 74 to 77. Median class is 74 to 77. What is the lower limit of the modal class? The modal class is the highest frequency of this class interval 15. This is the highest frequency. This is the modal class 74 to 77. The lower limit of modal class is 74. What is the lower limit of modal class is 74. What is the sum of lower limit of median class and modal class? The lower limit of modal class is 74. Lower limit of median class is 74. 74 plus 74 is 148. Now, class mark of the group into which least number of women belongs to. Least number of women belongs to the group 83 to 86. Least number means 3 women, 83 to 86. Now, class mark 83 lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay. This you will get 84.5. 84.5. Option A is right. Now, what are the average heartbeats per minute for these women? Average heartbeat means mean of the given table. Okay. This is the table. Write XI, class mark of all class intervals. 65 to 68 means 66.5, 69.5, 72.5, 75.5, 78.5, 81.5 and 84.5. Now take assume mean. Assume mean is 75.5. A equal to 75.5. Now DI. DI means XI minus A. XI minus A. 66.5 minus 70.5 is minus 9. Minus 6. Minus 3. 0. 3. 6. 9. Now multiply FI DI. Frequency into DI. 5 into 9 minus 45. 7 into minus 6 minus 42. Minus 15. 0. 8 into 3 24, 42 and 3 into 9, 27. Now add. Addition. In addition you can minus 42 plus 42 cancel. 45 and 15 minus 60. And adding 24 and 27, 51. Now sum of these two numbers is minus 45 minus 60, 24 and 27 is 51. The sum of these two minus 9. Minus 60 plus 51 is minus 9. The formula of mean is A plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. A is 75.5. This sigma fi di is minus 9 by 50. 75.5 minus 0.18. It means 75.32. The right answer is 75.32. The right option is 75.32. Okay. Thank you.